Dun, 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 dun. Come on, there's some music.
Good, great, I'm happy.
The things that I think make the course special and unique come down largely to place and people. A lot of it's about where we are, our relationship to London, the campus itself, which is beautiful, our relationship to business professionals and the geographical location of the place. Perhaps even more important to me are the people. We have an incredible team of academics here to work with students who join us. We spend a great deal of time with the students. In my experience, much more time with students here than anywhere else I've worked.
We've got a really great academic staff here, which help you write essays, reports throughout how many years you're doing here. Teachers always make it interactive in some way, which is really good, and it's very engaging all the time.
The academic team have a wide range of business experience. So we have colleagues who've worked in the IT industry like Microsoft and some of the IT research firms, businesses like Coca-Cola, and also smaller marketing organisations.
It's a mix of theory and practical. We always looked at existing companies and trying to apply whatever has been taught in class to the real world.
We give the students a range of employability opportunities, which can include workplace modules, a year out doing a whole placement, like a sandwich year, and guest speakers and live projects with existing companies.
So some of my favourite moments from the course have been going to Wimbledon to see how they operate as a business separate to their tennis, as well as a part of my scholarship going to Ferrari over in Maranello in Italy to work out how they are becoming more sustainable as a F1 team, but also through their luxury cars as well.
If I have to describe my time at St Mary's with just 3 words: inspiring, empowering, and just fun.
Thank you so much.
Love that.